It's that time of year again, where everything is pink and red, everything is heart-shaped, and love is in the air. Also, it means that Pinterest looks like this. So today I'm trying the most adorable viral Pinterest recipes for Valentine's Day and letting you know what's actually worth making. These adorable love letter pastries have been circulating Pinterest, and they seemed pretty easy, so I thought we would start with these. They're kind of cute. They do kind of resemble the Pinterest photo, but they're not quite as aesthetic. I think these would actually be better made with pie dough versus puff pastry, because when the pastry puffs, you kind of lose that cute envelope shape. They probably taste great though, and they were super easy to make. So let's try it. I mean, they're good. Definitely make these with the pie dough, but I think this is a great, easy, quick Valentine's Day dessert. For our next recipe, you've probably seen these floating around TikTok or Pinterest. It's the super adorable, please focus. Please. Okay, I'll just put it up here. But these super adorable mini bento cakes, especially super cute for a Galentine's. So let's go make it. I see you've met my cat Mars, but let's try the cake. Since it's a bento cake, I'm gonna go straight in with a fork. I'm gonna get a bite with more cake and less frosting. Please hold. Hey, are you guys eating icing? Don't eat icing. Please don't be stained. Cheers. It tastes like a standard cake. You could definitely make everything from scratch, but I think this one isn't really a recipe, but rather the concept of cutely decorating a bento cake for Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love it. And I think this would be super cute for couples, but also as a Galentine's Day event. Like, you can bake a bunch of cake layers, make a bunch of frosting, and just have everyone decorate their own cake. And they're so tiny and cute, and it's so much fun. You should definitely try it. My other cat is behind the camera. The next recipe I wanted to try are these adorable Thumbprint jam heart cookies. They seem like a twist on the classic Thumbprint cookie, but just made a little cuter. And they seem like a pretty simple and quick Valentine's treat to make for your friends, family, loved ones, loved one. But yeah, let's try these. They're so cute. That cookie was way too easy to eat. These are like those super melt in your mouth cookies where they kind of just disintegrate in your mouth. Sounds kind of weird, but it's very enjoyable. I was not expecting for these to taste that good for how easy they were to make. I'm giving these a 10 out of 10. Definitely make these. This is my third cookie. I'm serious. Go make these right now. The next thing we're trying are these mini heart-shaped air fryer potatoes. It was difficult to find a savory recipe. Basically everything was a dessert, but I thought these could be a fun little snack. So let's make them. They're actually pretty cute. You'd basically make this the same as a regular roasted potato, but you have to cut all the individual hearts out, which is a little time consuming, but they did turn out very cute. I guess let's have a taste. Honestly, they're exactly what you expect them to be. They're nice, they're crispy, well seasoned, simple to make, and I think you should make them.
That was very good.
You like it?
Very good.
Yay. Thought it would be fun to do a little date night, so we're gonna do a drink and dinner. There's a bunch of red/pink drinks on Pinterest, but this one looked very cute if it would focus. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Very cute. And I thought we'd pair that with the very adorable heart-shaped pizzas. So why don't you come along on our date night? Hello, we just finished dinner and honestly, it was a lot of fun. The drinks were very aesthetic, but honestly didn't taste great, so I would skip those next time. However, the pizzas, adorable and tasty, and it was overall a great time. Hope you had as much fun watching as I did trying these. So again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and bye.